There are many things that make Mesa Middle School a special place to learn.
I feel that my job is to either enhance the teacher experience or the student experience. And so that's really the lens that I look at my job through.
Hi, Mia.
And there is maybe nothing more special at Mesa Middle School than the work that Erin Gilbert performs.
She's one of the hardest working people I've ever met. She incredible. She's just such a drive, such a passion, and drive and passion for education, but a drive and passion for Mesa. And I think that that's what's so incredible about her.
Middle school is really that chance for kids to kind of figure out what they're interested in. And so part of my job is like, how do we create those opportunities for kids to really find those areas?
Through trust and support, Erin advocates for both staff and students.
I'm a doer, and so if people ask me to do things, I will do that. The people here trust me, and I don't take that lightly.
I remember distinctly my first few years of teaching, Erin was just the go-to person who, when I couldn't organize my own thoughts and I couldn't put together what I wanted to get out of students, I would go directly to her and she would ask me questions, she would pull out papers, she would help me map out ideas, and she would put the organization to my ideas that I couldn't find the organization to. Erin brings positivity when teachers need it the most.
Or when a student just needs a little guidance.
She's awesome. Yeah, definitely she's helped me school-wise, but she's also given really good, I guess, like life advice. If something happens in your life, it still affects your school and your career, and she kind of teaches you to take the things that have happened in your life and use them to your advantage. She's motivated me so much to like actually try in school.
She just has that unique ability to just connect with everybody she comes into touch with, and so amazing connections with kids. She understands the importance of building relationships first. She lives that every day here.
You'll see a separate tab for our 8th grade friends at the bottom there.
I was not the best student, and so I feel like engagement can really get those kids on board to really unleash their potential.
Her drive and passion for the work she does extends beyond the walls of Mesa, and for a good reason.
And I'm also a parent in the district. I have kids in the district, and I want what's best for them too, so I'm personally committed. And I've seen a lot of changes since I've been here, and I feel like we're on a trend for really, really awesome things in the district.
She's fallen in love with this school and this community, and she just will relentlessly work to continue to move forward and grow.